Hello guys, welcome to Geek. Today our topic is how you can flush DNS in MS Windows. If you like our videos, please don't forget to subscribe our channel Computer Geek. So guys, working with Windows or networks, most of the time you need to remove all IPs in caches and you need to flush DNS in Windows. So for this purpose, we have three commands. First is release, second is remove IPs, then flush DNS. All these commands are operating in MS Windows or MS-DOS. So first of all, you need to go to DOS. Search here CMD. This is command prompt. Right click on it and run as reset. Click yes. So this is all. Here you need to first type this command. ipconfig/release. So this will release all IPs in cache. Second, you need to activate the command remove. Type here. This will remove all IPs here, and the last command is flush DNS. So after flush DNS in IP configuration, all IPs and caches have been flushed. So guys, in this way you can flush your DNS and remove and release all IPs which resides in caches. Thanks guys for watching and learning.